We've all seen the headlines, "Make millions in months." They pop up everywhere, from flashy online ads to sensational news articles. These promises are designed to catch your eye and make you dream of instant wealth, or get-rich-quick schemes. They're tempting, aren't they? The allure of quick money can be hard to resist, especially when it seems like everyone else is getting rich overnight. But let's be real. Those promises are almost always too good to be true. The reality is, these schemes often crumble like a house of cards, leaving you worse off than before. Building wealth takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Just like a marathon runner trains for months, even years, to build endurance, you need to invest time and effort into your financial journey. Anyone who tells you different is probably trying to sell you something. These so-called gurus often profit from your desperation, offering expensive courses or dubious investment opportunities. Real wealth comes from hard work, smart decisions, and discipline. It's about making informed choices, whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, or simply saving a portion of your income regularly. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. This means understanding how to grow your wealth through compound interest, diversified investments, and passive income streams. So, if you're ready to ditch the get-rich-quick fantasies and embrace the journey, let's dive in. It's time to focus on sustainable strategies that will lead to long-term financial health. The truth is, there's no magic button to push. No secret formula or hidden shortcut will instantly make you wealthy. It's about consistent effort and learning from your experiences. But there is a path that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but each step brings you closer to your financial goals. And with the right knowledge and a little bit of sweat equity, you can achieve financial freedom. Educate yourself, stay disciplined, and remember that true wealth is built over time, not overnight. Before we talk dollars and cents, we need to talk mindset. The way you think about money, success, and your own potential can make all the difference in your financial journey. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account, it's about the beliefs you hold and the attitudes you cultivate. See, building wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about believing in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. When you have confidence in your abilities, you open up a world of possibilities. This confidence isn't something that happens overnight, it's built through small wins and consistent effort. It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset, where you constantly feel like there's not enough, to an abundance mindset, where you believe in the power of opportunity. A scarcity mindset can hold you back, making you feel like you're always in survival mode. On the other hand, an abundance mindset allows you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Start by visualizing your success. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals. What does that look like? How does it feel? Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay focused and motivated. It creates a mental image of success that your mind can work towards. Imagine yourself debt-free, financially secure, and living the life you've always dreamed of. This isn't just daydreaming, it's setting a clear vision for your future. When you have a vivid picture of what you want, it becomes easier to make decisions that align with that vision. That image, that's your motivation. Keep it in front of you, whether it's a vision board, a picture on your phone, or a note on your mirror. Let it remind you of what you're working towards every day. Don't be afraid to dream big. Your goals should challenge you and push you out of your comfort zone. Big dreams require big actions, and they can lead to big rewards. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Write down your goals, both short-term and long-term. Putting your goals on paper makes them tangible and gives you a roadmap to follow. It also helps you track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes big goals less overwhelming and more achievable. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate these small victories as they build momentum and keep you motivated. And remember, setbacks are a part of the process. No journey is without its challenges. When you encounter obstacles, don't see them as failures. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Don't let them derail you. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. Resilience is key to overcoming setbacks. Each time you get back up, you become stronger and more determined. Learn from your mistakes, get back up, and keep moving forward. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Use these lessons to refine your strategies and improve your approach. With the right mindset, you can turn any setback into a stepping stone towards success. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which you build your financial future. It's about understanding how money works, from budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt. The good news is, you don't need a fancy degree to become financially savvy. Start by tracking your expenses. Where does your money actually go each month? Once you have a clear picture, create a budget that works for you. Don't forget about saving. Even small amounts over time can add up. Aim to build an emergency fund, a safety net for unexpected expenses. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your money, the more you know, the more control you have. In today's economy, having valuable skills is more important than ever. Whether it's learning a trade, mastering a new language, or gaining technical expertise, investing in yourself is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Think about it. The more you know, the more you can earn. And the more you earn, the faster you can achieve your financial goals. So, what are you passionate about? What skills are in high demand? Once you know what you want to learn, explore online courses, workshops, or even mentorship opportunities. Remember, your earning potential is directly tied to your skills and knowledge. Section 5. Building multiple income streams. Why rely on just one source of income when you can have several? In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, having multiple income streams is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Diversifying your income sources can provide financial stability and security, especially in uncertain times. Creating multiple streams of revenue is a powerful way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Imagine each income stream as a plant in your financial garden. The more plants you have, the more robust and fruitful your garden becomes. Each plant represents a different source of income, contributing to your overall financial health. Think of it like this. If one stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. This safety net can be crucial during economic downturns or personal financial crises. By having multiple streams, you reduce the risk of financial hardship and increase your chances of maintaining a steady flow of income. It doesn't have to be complicated. Starting small and gradually building up your income streams can be a manageable and rewarding process. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes, the simplest ideas can be the most effective. Consider starting a side hustle. Freelance writing, graphic design, or even tutoring. These are just a few examples of how you can leverage your existing skills to create additional income. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for remote work and online businesses. Virtual assistant services, there's a world of opportunity out there. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for help with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer service. By offering your services, you can tap into a growing market and build a steady stream of income. Or maybe you're crafty and can sell your creations online. Platforms like Etsy and eBay make it easy to reach a global audience and turn your hobbies into a profitable venture. Whether it's handmade jewelry, custom artwork, or vintage finds, there's a market for almost anything. The key is to find something you enjoy, that utilizes your skills, and that can generate extra income. Passion and proficiency are the perfect combination for a successful side hustle. When you enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel like work and you're more likely to stick with it. And that can generate extra income. Remember, every dollar counts. Small earnings can add up over time, and before you know it, you could have a significant additional income stream. Consistency and persistence are key. And when you're bringing in money from multiple sources, you're well on your way to financial freedom. Financial freedom means having the flexibility to make choices that are not solely based on money. It means having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a safety net and the ability to pursue your passions without financial constraints. So start today, explore your options, and build those multiple income streams for a more secure and prosperous future. Section 6. Growing your wealth through investing. Investing may seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Think of it as planting seeds. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. There are many different investment options out there. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, each with its own level of risk and potential return. Don't be afraid to start small. The key is to educate yourself, start investing consistently, and watch your money grow. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart decisions for long-term growth. Section 7, the entrepreneurial spirit. Have a brilliant business idea? Always dreamed of being your own boss? Entrepreneurship can be a challenging yet incredibly rewarding path to wealth creation. It's about identifying a need in the market and creating a solution. It's about taking risks, being innovative, and building something from the ground up. Starting a business takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But the rewards, financial freedom, creative control, and the satisfaction of building something you're passionate about can be life-changing. Section 8, the art of frugality and budgeting. Frugality isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being mindful of your spending and making intentional choices with your money. It's about differentiating between needs and wants and prioritizing saving and investing over unnecessary expenses. Start by tracking your spending. Where does your money actually go each month? You might be surprised. Once you have a clear picture, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses, eating out less, finding free or low-cost entertainment, and being a savvy shopper. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest in your future. Section 9. The long game, persistence, and patience. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments when you want to give up. But it's during those times that you need to dig deep, stay focused, and remember your why you started this journey in the first place. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your vision, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride, stay persistent, and watch as you achieve incredible things.